TrendLine Confirm Pro, an advanced breakout and confirmation trading robot designed for precision, control, and professional-grade risk management. Hello everyone, and welcome to this video where I'll walk you through how this new cBot works and how I personally like to use it. Once you're inside the Automate section of cTrader, Parameter Breakdown. Number 1, Entry Strategy. Controls how trades are confirmed after price interacts with a trend line or horizontal level. Entry Mode. Instant Touch enters immediately when price reaches the level. Pending confirmation waits for breakout confirmation before entering. Confirmation Logic defines how the breakout is validated. Time duration, price must stay beyond the level for a minimum number of seconds. Candle close, breakout must remain valid at candle close. Wait fixed bars, waits a fixed number of candles before confirming. Min duration in seconds, used in time duration mode to confirm sustained breakouts. Bars to wait, used in wait fixed bars logic. Max timeout bars. If confirmation does not occur within this number of candles, the setup expires. Contrarian on timeout. If a breakout fails, the bot can open a reverse trade to capture rejection moves. Number 2, Basket Management. Manages all open trades as one combined position. Use Basket TP/SL. Closes all positions when total floating profit or loss reaches a money target. Basket Break-Even. Once basket profit reaches a trigger level, all trades move to break even. Number 3, Trade Management. Automatic protection for every trade. Break even, trigger distance in pips. Locks in a small profit beyond entry. Trailing Stop activates after reaching a profit threshold, follows price at a defined distance. Number 4, Pyramiding. Adds positions as the trade moves into profit. Enable pyramiding, max pyramid trades, step pips, a minimum price movement before adding a new position, only if in profit, prevents adding to losing trades. Pyramiding modes, distance from first entry, distance from break-even level, retracement from recent high or low. Number 5, Risk and Limits, controls exposure and trading conditions. Max initial longs/shorts, limits base entries per direction. Max spread in pips, prevents trading during poor liquidity or wide spreads. Prop firm risk protection, designed for funded account rules. Max daily drawdown percent, max total drawdown percent, daily profit target percent. When limits are reached, the bot automatically stops trading. Number 7, Sensitivity and Filters. Trigger distance in pips defines how close price must be to a level before the bot reacts. RSI filter, optional. Time frame, period, max/min levels. Helps avoid entering trades in overbought or oversold conditions. Number 8, Money Management and SL/TP. Risk mode, fixed lot size, percentage risk per trade. Volume in lots, manual lot sizing when not using percentage risk. Stop loss/take profit in pips. Version 37 uses stable pip-based stop loss and take profit execution, improving broker compatibility and preventing order execution errors. All you need to do is draw trend lines directly on your chart. For example, you can draw a descending green trend line and an ascending red trend line. I'm placing them randomly here just to demonstrate how the system behaves. After drawing the lines, you simply activate the cBot and start monitoring the logs. You'll see the robot detecting the levels in real time and preparing potential trade setups as price approaches them. Let me move the trend lines a bit closer to price so we can better observe the behavior. Now, it's very important to understand the confirmation logic. If you select time duration as the confirmation method, the cBot will measure how long price remains beyond the breakout level before validating the trade. This helps filter out false breakouts and ensures the move has real strength before entering the market. What this robot does? TrendLine Confirm Pro transforms manually drawn chart levels into a structured, rule-based breakout trading system with professional trade management and institutional-style risk control. This robot doesn't just react when price touches a line. It waits, evaluates, and confirms the strength of the move before executing a trade. With multiple confirmation logics, timeout handling, and optional contrarian entries, the system adapts to real market behavior instead of forcing trades. Version 37 improves execution stability, crash-safe order handling, and optimized stop-loss and take-profit logic, ensuring reliable performance even in fast market conditions. From entry confirmation to pyramiding, break-even protection, trailing stops, and basket-level management, this cBot manages the entire trade lifecycle, not just the entry. Whether you're trading discretionary trend lines or key support and resistance levels, TrendLine Confirm Pro adds discipline, automation, and professional risk control to your strategy. Parameter breakdown. Number 1, entry strategy. Controls how trades are confirmed after price interacts with a trend line or horizontal level.
Now, all we have to do is wait for the trend line breakout and see how price moves. In the meantime, I'd like to remind you that on our website, www.algotrend.it, you can find many free tools for trading on cTrader, including over 80 EAs and indicators. On our Discord, you'll also find many customized optimizations for our cBots, so you can save a lot of time on backtesting. You can find all the links in the video description.
Good, the price has touched our trend line. Now let's see whether it breaks downward and accelerates or pulls back. If it starts moving lower, we've set up our pyramiding system to open new positions very quickly, break even to secure the previous ones, trailing stop to reduce risk, and the basket system so we don't miss any opportunities.
Good, the price has started moving. A shorter confirmation, around 20 seconds, would have been even better, but it's always good to be cautious. As soon as the seconds countdown finishes, it will open the position, wait for the first trade to reach break-even, and then open the second one, again with break-even and trailing stop ready. If the price pulls back within the maximum time specified in the parameters, the cBot will be ready to open an opposite position. Otherwise, it will manage the position protection automatically. Now we just have to wait. To keep it accessible for everyone, this version of Trendline Pro does not include a backtesting feature, but for more demanding traders, it won't be a problem to have it implemented upon request. We are working live and hope the market helps us show you how Trendline Pro works. For any information about our cBots, send an email to info@algotrend.it. Or join our Discord channel to receive specific materials for your cBots and discover all the tools we've created for trading. www.algotrend.it.
I think the price is finally getting ready for a strong move. Hopefully it goes in our direction so we can explore all the features and potential of this amazing cBot. In the log section, you'll be able to see every single action the cBot takes, and if a position is not opened, it will tell you why, whether it's because of the spread, the maximum number of open positions being reached, or other reasons. Make sure to carefully check all parameters before activating your Trendline Pro. Every asset needs different settings. Spread is different, position size, stop loss, take profit, and of course, trailing stop and break even if you plan to use them. I also want to give you a tip. Try to keep a similar value between spread and trigger distance. This will help ensure that the breakout happens with maximum precision. And there we go. Price has started moving, break-evens have been triggered, the trailing stop is following the move, and the cBot will open new positions as soon as the conditions we set are met. Now that we've done this example on the 1-minute time frame, I want to show you how I personally use this cBot. I prefer to draw my trend lines on charts from at least the 30-minute time frame and higher. On smaller time frames, there's, in my opinion, too much noise.
If possible, I look for assets that are trading below the 200-period moving average and that have developed strong volume below and near the current price. Once I find these assets, though this can work on any instrument, I draw my trend lines and optimize the parameters for each one. At the end of the day, I'll check what happened. By the way, how is our Bitcoin position doing? Here we go. After breaking the trend line, the price accelerated and has already reached a very good profit position.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and turn on notifications and make sure to follow us on our Discord channel. See you soon in the next educational video from Algotrend.